Right guys, on YouTube we are doing a spin. It's gone away with the water now, and it should be doing a water because it does do it, because I'm trying to say it just doing, and yeah, just trying to do. It's a little bit of balance right now, but you can see on this. Also, you can't see it because it's night time. I'll have to do one more spin, and then that's it. Right, done now. Just gonna have to just move this. Right, and then we're gonna have to open it now. And now it's gone a bit wet, like it. I don't care, cause look, because these are wet because of the water through. So it just came like that. So shut the door. Wow, that's a mega sudsy wash and never seen it before, but I do. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe, and goodbye.